Hey guys, in the video I have for you today, this was a new customer, never been to before. What is one of his rental properties, and I had multiple problems. Stay tuned, here we go. I'm at the next call. The man of the house isn't here, and he told me somebody should be here. But if y'all see this, these are some of the first leaves to change and drop off what is a vine, and this leaf is for a scuppernong, or what's the other word for them? Wild grapes. And if you look over here, here they are. So if you see these vines out in the wild, look for some grapes. They can be white, they can be purple, and they're really good. Somebody has cultivated these right here. In South Carolina, I've heard them called boluses, but yeah, most common name is scuppernong. All right, I don't have access to the house. That right there don't look very good. We have it's a 2002, sure to be an R22. Yes, a R22 unit. It's going to be a heat pump. I think they said the air conditioning was not working. Let's go get my tools and we may be able to jump some of this out. Is that an ant bed? Oh no! I have left my screwdriver somewhere. And you know what? Last time I bought one, I bought two of them. Nothing in the middle. I swear, I ain't got a... Well, it might not have ants in it now, but it did at one time. Well, I think I see a problem right away. That right there looks like it's bubbled up a little bit. I assure you, it ain't working. Let's kill power. Let me try something real quick. Yep. All right, looks like we got us a 45.5. Excuse me, a 45. 20 12.5. I ain't gonna find a dual with that. We'll mount that up there. Let's get this replaced. Short that out. I'm gonna test it to show you, but when it's bubbled up like that, it ain't no good. Oops. Helps if I turn that to the right thing. Nothing. 0.015 nanofarads. Let's get a 45 and we'll mount these both up.
Commodity Beach Drive.
I know where that is.
How much you charging? What about new construction?
I don't do a lot of new construction.
Oh, okay.
That one's bad too. 0.026 nanofarads. I kind of questioned it because it looked like it was just a little bit swollen. .5 just seems a little odd. RPM speed, sure. Cap. Y'all see that? This says cap 10. Needs a, I think it says 10. See if I can take a picture of that real good. Yep, that's what it says. I need a 10, not a 12.5. A 10, 9.9. That thing's not wired up right either. This is an older unit. I hope it... That should go to my defrost relay. Alright, that one goes to my reversing valve. It should be this one right here. Mm-hmm. They just ran my black wire straight to the contactor, and it needs to go right here. Alright, I had a wire nut somewhere. Here it is. All right, now it's wired up correctly. The fan will stop when it goes through defrost. Got my capacitor secured. Pull that up a little bit. Sounds like you got a cold.
Yep. Ain't got bad allergies.
Oh, I don't have them bad, but sometimes they do bother me. And it seems to be in an odd time of year, like in the middle of summer,
Yeah.
when they bother me.
Look like you real familiar with them old units.
I am. I've worked on a bunch of them.
Well, this one I'm gonna see you to. It's gonna be a motor.
That's okay.
Alright.
All right, let's put power to it, push in the contactor, and then we'll turn it on.
Here.
All right, why is that not working? I don't have a call on yellow. All right, that should have. All right, let's turn it on inside and see what happens. Let's turn it on in here. All right. Fan's not turning. Was not running because that's on the wrong side. When it's wired straight to the contactor like that, it don't matter which side, but it does matter because this over here is common, and that's what they use to bring on this fan. That did not feel like the breaker did so well. Lovely. All right, we got us another QO that did not make. A QO, I mean this QO series. Your breaker just failed. $240. Nothing. I got $240 on that one. All right, there's a 30. Looks like we got, honestly, that looks like number 6 copper. Let me see what I've got. I think all of these are QOs. I see a 40, a 30. It's got a 30 on it. Let's keep it that way. right, let's see what we got here. That's tight enough for now. There we go. All right. There we go. Fan's now working. I'm gonna stop and update my list. of things that I've got to buy. Check pressures. I can feel it blowing cold air. That's good. Oh my God. I left my probes on that last air conditioner I was on. Lovely. Well, that was worth the trip back. I think the battery's dead on that one completely. I'll probably just change them both. Oh my God, I hate it when I do that. This call was like 30 minutes away from my last one. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. That house has gas heat, and I notified them about the gas furnace, the water heater, the way the flue pipe was hooked up. If they just put in an electric water heater, they won't need gas at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.